How to make a good CV. Keep it clear and concise. Your CV should be easy to read and understand. Use bullet points, headings, and subheadings to organize your information. Also, avoid using too much jargon or technical terms, especially if you're applying for a job that doesn't require it. Customize it for each job. Tailor your CV to the job you're applying for by highlighting the skills and experiences that match the requirements of the job. Also, use the keywords mentioned in the job description to optimize your CV for applicant tracking systems, ATS. Highlight your achievements. Instead of just listing your responsibilities, emphasize your achievements and accomplishments. Use specific examples to demonstrate your skills and abilities. Keep it up to date. Make sure your CV is always up to date with your latest work experience, education, and skills. Also, review and update it regularly to ensure it stays relevant to your current career goals. Include a personal statement. A personal statement can help you stand out from other candidates by giving an overview of your career goals and achievements. Keep it brief and focused, and make sure it highlights your strengths and why you're a good fit for the job. Use a professional format. Choose a professional and easy-to-read font, and use a consistent formatting style throughout your CV. Also, make sure your contact information is clearly visible at the top of your CV. Proofread and edit. Before sending your CV, proofread it several times to ensure it's free of errors and typos. Also, have someone else review it for you to get feedback and suggestions for improvement.